Saturday Extra is sponsored locally by Texas Mattress Makers. Everyday low price, best quality, even better sleep.
Good morning and welcome to Saturday Extra. I'm Cynthia Cisneros, and with me this morning is our dear friend Yuval Michler. We're so happy that you're here with us.
Thank you.
How's your summer going?
It's hot.
Very hot. Are you rested this summer?
It's hot. We can't get rested because it's hot, but if you come to me, I'll show you how to do it.
See, that's the segue I was going into, so thank you for reading my mind. It's very important, as always, especially when it's really hot outside, that you get a good night's sleep. And all of that comes with taking your time when you purchase a mattress.
You know, it's interesting to me after all these years that I've been in this business that people have such little education of how important a mattress is. A mattress is the one thing, as you and I discussed before, that you use the most in your life. There is not a single thing that you will use more at the same time in the same place. And people need to understand that when you purchase a mattress, you have to do it in a manner that fits your body. Most folks have neck pains, back pains, shoulder pains, hip pains, lower extremity pains. You'd be shocked how many times that is because of the way you sleep on your pillow. The mattress is not supportive to you, and your body is not straight. A lot of biggest misconception about a mattress is that when they come in to buy a mattress, they want something firm. Firm for them is the equivalent of support.
And that's why it's so important that people visit Texas Mattress Makers and get that personalized custom service for that custom fit. Because a lot of times people like me, we don't know what we want. We just want a mattress. We want to lay down and go to sleep. It's up to the people that work at Texas Mattress Makers to make sure and have that personalized discussion. Who you are, how you sleep, where you sleep, that kind of thing.
Exactly right. When you come in, we will ask you all these questions. You'd be shocked of the things that you do that you don't realize that you do once you're asked those questions. Then we will take and fit you in beds because we want you to get to the point where you feel the bed, not think the bed. Very important. When you wake up in the morning, you have a pain. It's not a thought. It's a feel.
It's almost like that moment of Zen where you become part of the mattress.
Exactly right.
And that's a good flow, that motion that can lead to a good night's sleep. And again, it all comes with taking your time to purchase that mattress, that perfect mattress.
You have to take your time. It's a very important purchase. You have to take your time. You have to articulate what it is that you want and you're comfortable with. And then we will do our job because we sell mattresses, of course, but we manufacture everything that we sell. So we know the cause and effect of every component in that bed and why this is good for you and this is good for somebody else.
Good for somebody else, you say, and those people are really letting their opinions be known on social media, on reviews that they're doing, to really emphasize that relationship between the customer and Texas Mattress Makers.
I'm very, very proud of our reviews. We are concerned about your comfort. We're not concerned about selling a mattress. We're concerned about your comfort, and I believe that our reviews reflect that we really take care of you and want you to be comfortable when you sleep.
You know, it's all leading to the same cause, leading to the same effect. You come in, you ask questions, you take your time, you get that perfect sleep. And now it's available to everyone because the All-American Factory Sale is going on. Get 20% off the entire showroom, and that's already low factory direct prices. TexasMattressMakers.com for more information. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for joining us on Saturday Extra.
Saturday Extra is sponsored locally by Texas Mattress Makers. Everyday low price, best quality, even better sleep.